Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we're making a kicked up coleslaw. First things first, we have 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. Just a tablespoon. And then we have a tablespoon of sugar. Let's just stir that in a little. Coleslaw is the easiest thing to make. Then we have a 14-ounce bag of coleslaw here, a cup of grated carrots, a half a cup of green bell peppers, look at those colors, and a cup of red onions. Everything goes right in. There we go. Let's take this off. Right, let's stir this up for a minute. Incorporate everything. And then we have, let's take this piece out. That looks like the bottom. Yeah, and then we have 1 cup of mayonnaise. You're gonna put a whole cup in here to really get it saturated and tasty. And then we give it a whole big stir. And after this, everything is incorporated, we put it to cool first before serving it. This makes such a delicious coleslaw. I call it my kicked up coleslaw. Now, my last ingredients is about a teaspoon of dill, dried dill. It does make a difference. So don't forget to put it in there. And here we go. Get this in. Stir this up. Look at all of those colors. That's right. My kicked up coleslaw. Now this is ready for serving. Just like I said, put it to cool. And then we'll be ready. Okay? Thanks for watching. See you next time.